Hey, what's going on, everyone? Todd G here. And in this digital growth community, $4.3 million in 41 days paid out instantly to members video. I'm going to show you how the digital growth community and legacy builders program has paid out $4.3 million directly and instantly to its members with 100% commissions, and how you can get started today on your path to making 10K in the next 30 to 90 days. But first, I would appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button below and hit that thumbs up icon below to like this video. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get started right away on your path to 10K in the next 30 to 90 days. Now guys, this is insane. I've never seen a program take off and blow up like this and see so many everyday average folks seeing success. Okay, let's jump right in. Now I'm going to turn it over to the founder of the digital growth community, Michelle O'Neill.
And so the questions at the end will be for our guest. If you're inside the community, you know you can go in the community right now and get your questions answered. So welcome everybody. So happy to have you here. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen real quick here. And I have to do one other thing. All right, I'm getting better. I had to disable some automations. Thank you, Dean, for teaching me how to do that. So today we're going to talk about the 5-step framework to help you effortlessly, and I mean the word effortlessly, generate an income with digital marketing. And here's why it's effortlessly, because you guys are going to learn how to automate. When your business is on autopilot, you know what that means, right? It's always working for you 24/7. So that's what we're going to be learning about today. And you guys, this is for you if you are done with the generational struggle and you want to generate generational wealth for your family. This is for you if you would love to have your own online business, but you just don't know where to start. And this is for you if you want to have more time to do the things that you love and you are ready to take control of your life. And maybe you're here because you are ready to learn how to make passive daily pay income online, but you don't know where to start. And I'm going to explain what passive daily income means during this. Maybe you're here because you want the recipe for a 10K in May. Yep, there's still time to make 10K in May. You still have 20 days left. Now check this out, 900, my second one today. You guys, she's working a full-time job. And she's already had an $1,800 day. Look at this. I love this. A $900 Dean while 6-year-old at school during lunch. That's passive income, right, when it comes in. Check this out, you guys. Ashley has made $19,200 in her first week of May. She's made $160,000 in 4 months with this process. So I'm going to rewind for a minute with you guys because back in 2022, I was struggling and I was super disappointed in myself. I thought I would be further along. I don't know if you can relate to that. I was looking in the mirror going, how in the heck did I get here? I thought I'd had more time with my family and more money to make more memories. And I discovered these 5 steps and I went from making 0 online to 1 million in 17 months. And you guys, now I'm averaging over 100K a month right now. I actually screenshotted this before I got on here. And you guys, all I've done to be having made 534,000 since January 1st is I've just followed this 5-step framework. I've mastered the 2-hour workday and I've just stayed consistent. What I'm doing, anyone can do, because now we truly get to live the life I've always dreamed of. I'm actually traveling right now. My son is running here in San Antonio, but you guys, we get to make memories. And I have more time to make the memories because my business is on autopilot, and that is what you're going to learn today. So how would it feel if you could get out of debt, have more time, and make passive daily income and have a recurring income month after month? Can you go put that in the comments how that would feel? I would love to know. If you could learn and start making 900 a day, how would that feel? So check this out, you guys. Kelsey, this is actually a really great example of amazing, free, amazing, love it, excellent. I would be able to breathe. Ooh, that's a good one. So good. You guys, check this out. Kelsey, she actually started in March. She made $14,150. She's already made $3,600 in May, but look at this. She goes, I've been MIA since Sunday, and I didn't even post on Sunday. But she still made $900, and then she had another $900. You guys, this is passive income because her automations did the work for her when she was busy doing other things. And look at Rita, she had a $2,700 day. And Victoria is going to be sharing, you guys, in a little bit as well, but she had a gal that purchased from her that she hit 6 figures in 6 months. She's a mama of 5 children. You guys, so no matter your circumstances, you can achieve this, right? So that, my friends, is passive income. Now, passive income is an income that requires little to no labor to produce and to maintain. So let's dive right into the framework to effortlessly create income with digital marketing. Step 1, you got to promote a product or program that is in high demand. You guys, I can give you this framework, but if you're promoting something that people don't want, you'll never make money. It's got to be something that people want, and when they get it, they love it, and it gives them the results that they want. So why promote digital programs? Well, for one, you guys, it's the fastest growing industry out there, right? And it's a proven program where you can make 100% profit. So let me just do a little bit of math with you guys to help put this into perspective, because all I got to say to you guys is this is what I wanted when I tried to make an income in network marketing. Nothing wrong with the industry. It's just that you got to grind because you make a small percent. So for example, you average about 25%. Well, you can get programs now where you can make 100% profit. So our number one selling product is 900. So one customer, you guys, you're putting $900 in your pocket. Well, if you're only making 25%, one customer, you're only making $225. What makes more sense to you? To do the exact same amount of work, the exact same amount of hours to make $900 or $225? Now, sometimes people are like, oh, you got to sell what you're passionate about. Okay, well, maybe you're passionate about a lip gloss, but you make $9 with a lip gloss. You would need to get 100 customers of lip gloss to make $900. If you're an affiliate marketer or network marketing, you would need 4 customers. You guys, this is what we talk about with time leverage. This is why you want to, when you're launching a business, you want to start with promoting programs or products or services where you can make 100% profit. And it's daily pay directly into your bank account. And you can learn and earn at the exact same time. And you sell something that is helping others. You know, I can sell a lip gloss and make $9 and help a mom feel sexy for an hour. Or I can sell her a program that could help her change her family's life, that could help her change her zip code, that could literally help her change the car she drives. And more impactful, right? So if you love helping people, you'll absolutely love this framework to success, right? So let me share with you what we promote, and we promote the Legacy Builder program. You guys, in 41 days, it's done $4.3 million. So that means the community has made $4.3 million in 41 days because all of that went 100% into their pocket. So step 2, you got to automate your business. This is the difference of trading time for dollars, okay? And so right here is the automated system that gives you an example of an automated system. So what you want to do when you automate your business, you got to know what the pain point of your perfect customer is and what is their solution, right? So this is the solution, and that is they can get that. Oh, my daughter's FaceTiming me. I don't know how to stop it. That's so funny. Watch this. Hey, Reese, I'm like on a webinar right now. I had to answer you guys and make sure she's okay because I'm in San Antonio. You want to say hi real quick? See? Yeah. Technology. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, everything's good though? Okay, I'll call you back, okay? Love you. Sorry guys, but hey, I'm in San Antonio when my 18-year-old daughter's at home. I gotta answer, right? This is why we do what we love. I know you guys are great. So this is an automated system. So what happens, you guys, when somebody puts their email in, you want to make sure that you give them the information they asked for, right? So on the thank you page is a video that explains in great detail And also they receive more information through their email. These 3 steps is what you need to have for your business, right? So you need to share with people how you can solve their problem, show them how you can solve their problem, and be able to show them again how you can solve their problem, and at any time they can buy. So this is a system that I highly recommend. Now, on average, 1 out of 20 people are buying. So if 1 out of 20 people are buying and you're selling a product that's $900, all you need is 20 people a day to put their email in, and that equals $328,000 a year. So let me ask you guys this question. If you could learn the framework and make $900 a day, which is $328,000 a year, in the next 12 months, you had $320,000 in your pocket, how would that change your life? Can you put that in the comments, how that would change your life? I would absolutely love to know. Now, step 3, getting your business discovered. So you might be going, well, Michelle, this sounds really good, but how do I get 20 people a day? Because I don't want to get on the phone with people. We will show you how to get your business discovered by posting free ads. You guys, this is an introvert's dream come true. I used to post free ads. I would spend 30 minutes a day copy and pasting free ads, okay, to high traffic websites for free. And then also you can attract people, you guys, by building your invisible empire. Yes, you can build a faceless brand. It is very popular right now on social media. I'll share a fun fact with you. My 18-year-old daughter you just talked to, she just graduated this week, and she, after we get back from Hawaii, she's going to be launching her faceless empire digital marketing business as well. So can you imagine at 18, what if she just makes $900 a week? You guys, what can 18-year-olds do to make that type of income? So I can't wait to share that journey with you guys as well. Another way you guys can attract customers to you is by using social media. You guys, there's tons of different platforms. There's 5 billion people on social media. That's the newest statistic. It was 4.8 billion. So that continues to grow, right? And so you think about it, you get to pick the platform that you want to use, and you can become that magnet out there and attract customers to you. So now I said there's 5 billion people on social media. So how do you stop their scroll so you can get them to buy from you? And that's step 4. And that is, you need to know who your perfect customer is. You need to use stop the scroll hooks. You need to do a CTA that invites your perfect customers into your automated system, which I call our freedom machine. Okay. Now, step 5 is a new customer. So once you understand and master how to get a customer to stop the scroll, they're going to get inside your automations. You guys, they become a customer. Now, do you realize what I just shared with you? You already have products to promote. All you got to do is set up a social media account. All you got to do is focus on the discovery method of posting. I'm able to have 100K months by creating 3 pieces of content a day. And then I do all my information in the morning, and I'm done in the afternoon. And then the automations are what generates a new customer. This is a technique that anybody can learn to do. But you might be thinking right now, but Michelle, this sounds so good, but I know nothing about products to promote. I know nothing about sales funnels. I know nothing about social media marketing. I know nothing about what do you mean by stop the scroll content. And I don't know how to discover my perfect customer. Guys, this is what we're going to talk to you about right now. But before I do, I want to have Mary Ann come on here and share with you guys, because she knew none of this either. Okay. And we literally are celebrating with Mary Ann, you guys, because she just hit 6 figures. Okay. So let me find her real quick so she can come on and share her story with you, because I want you guys to understand that anybody can do this. Okay.
Wow, that's pretty powerful stuff. And as you can see, it's as simple as following a step-by-step instructions, just like baking a cake from a pre-made cake mix. And people from all walks of life are seeing success with the Digital Growth Community and Legacy Builders program. Okay, that's it for this Digital Growth Community review. $4.3 million in 41 days paid out instantly to members video. Now, if you want to get started right away and learn more about the Digital Growth Community and Legacy Builders Review Program, You can see all the resources and links below this video in the description below, including a complete playlist that shows you everything about the Digital Growth Community reviews and Legacy Builder program reviews. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.